8.3%. Okay, that's fine compared to previously. So actually I'm doing some kind of routes, and route should do some kind of return also. So mm, maybe it will be fine. And it seems even if there is a null there, it's not as simple as it. Last time what we are doing, like if there's nothing there, it's gonna return null. So and this thing can work very easily, as it should be. mm, so okay is false. And if uh, if function is get run with like with run, especially not that, I'm gonna paste it here. So if it's run as it's supposed to be, it will be like it's gonna say, oh no, it's gonna say this is equal to us mm, mm, okay, uh this maybe okay is equal to true. So if it is a true, if it is a true, it's gonna do some kind of function there. So mm, in the CRUD, it gonna stop that there. It's not gonna do anything like that now. uh it's gonna break it, the CRUD. So first of all, there's a for each, and for each is for CRUD, and as uh, uh type, maybe something like that, and it has let's put it type there, maybe but thing is, if anything can run, then it's gonna break it. uh, it seems I'm just doing too much here. I should not do that much here, and probably I should not. I just need to stick to what I am doing right now. uh, mm, First of all, the thing is, it doesn't actually break if it's gonna run. If it is a what the hell happened now? It seems something happened. It has to stop any kind of function when it see okay, there is okay is true. If okay is true, it should stop any kind of function. So let's put it like right there. And so mm, Hmm. Did it? Okay, some kind of something should be there. ठीक है. हमारे परिवार में ऐसा है, लोग पढ़ जाते हैं हम भागते हैं. लोग पढ़ जाते हैं हम भागते हैं. हाँ. So it should stop if any kind of function is run, it should stop. So there should be some kind of middleware there. Hmm. So first I'm going to check every time. It should be done it here. I should not go somewhere else. It should be done at here. There's a place that transaction take place. And it's not like we have multiple cores. It's probably gonna run on the single core. So um, mm, okay, it can be null. So that will be kind of fine, I will say. Eh, If it return, it gonna return okay. Uh, it's gonna return this. So if not, it's gonna return nothing else. Like if it's false, then no, it's not like. Uh, it seem. Hmm. Uh, so let's see. Some kind of. I think I'm doing something bad, really bad here. Hmm. It's a function. There's a rules. There is a value. Roles can be checked because we have roles here. So we can check roles very easily, I'll say. So if we can actually put it directly here. This is that. These roles and this match roles. Match to check permission. So okay, so this is a match permission, and we can actually put it check permission there, and we can actually put check permission there, and in checks permission we are gonna pass a thing which is like uh, roles. So it can be empty, but it's not going to be empty because it has something there. And check permission has roles, and it's gonna check for that. Mm, so if the roles is kind of like empty, so which is match roles. Okay, so we don't need match roles, we need just roles. Okay, so we're gonna use it like that way and that way only. So we're gonna check this role like this way, and if it's there, that's fine. If not, we're gonna run route. But we are not going to run route. Run route is totally a old thing. I'm not actually trying to in- interfere anything of my old, and I'm trying to make everything old in probably in the comment section. तरुण गेट बंद करके आ जा ना प्लीज प्लीज गेट बंद करने के लिए कहा था वो उसका सुनाई नहीं दिया तुझे so run and response there response not authorized and not authorized can echo something there also. It is run now. It's gonna run that function. For running that function, we are gonna this is a match role and values. Yeah, so it is like attribute because these are the attributes, and I'm gonna make it like empty and put it like this array. What the hell wrong is there then? Okay, so this is the issue, and this should be. I think this should be done there. And if it's like that, it's gonna return okay. That's the case only here. Hmm. Theoretically, it should run very well. I'm gonna put every kind of old code, which is put it here. So these are the code. Mm, so first of all, they're gonna check permission with the roles. These are roles, and this is URI. This is match role. TURI. So I think I is not so is using so this is route URI. This is it should has a URI because it has to pass and URI and it's gonna pass that run URI. Hmm. URI and this is the function and I think I should put something like that. URI function roles value public public active route. So it can be anything is kind of array, but it has active route and it has to be a first will be uh, URI function, URI function roles and value. So URI function role value, URI URI is some kind of like it's empty function and permission and URI permission. It seems I'm doing very much here. URI function and permission and last will be what is last value, which is a empty array. So permission also we need the array section. So and function can be a function, it doesn't have matter anyway. So first of all we has to check everything here and run roles and URI like it's nothing, so something like that. This active route, so this active route is equal to URI is URI function is no function is first of all how we are actually doing it here. URI roles call and value, so something like that. URI roles calls and value. URI roles calls or calls. This is only call because there is only single call. Okay, this makes sense. And probably we need doesn't need even that because this is nothing we are using. So URI is value is value, call is call, role is roles, and URI is again URI. First of all, we doesn't need that anymore because we are using, and we want to check permission, and these are roles, which is kind of not gonna happen now because check permission has roles. So this this is active roles. And okay, so first of all, I totally missed the point here. No, 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 no. Yeah, so we can use that. This is a URI also. Yeah, there should be nothing to some roles and that. So this is roles. Now we are gonna go to run, which has URI, but uh, so attributes is that make URI that. Mm, So basically we are using okay. So okay, this is same, but so we gonna make it URI. So this gonna be actually match route. Which is match route doing here? So I can actually make it call. That should be run everything here, and this is okay. If if it's vals, return that. Hmm. I'm gonna try to get. I think CRUD can also little bit better if I want. If we want actually. So so hmm, I'm not. I'm very concerned about this because there should be R in the array, but there should be something else. Like this method should be get. Then it should that's run. This method should be uh post or put a patch something like that. So everything is just like that. Then only it's gonna run. Hmm. I'm going totally back because it seems like I'm just wasting my time too much here. I think no, it's not too much wasting my time. I'm gonna do it anyway, even if probably it's not maybe. maybe it's not worth it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So if this is okay, mm, so I can actually we can actually do something there. I think this can work probably. Uh, First of all, uh, every time any kind of request should reply with this. That's it. This should be something like that most of the time. So it's like that. And we can make it this null probably. I think so. We can actually make this null probably. I have less idea here. And every time if nothing happens, it's gonna reply just this. That's it. um I think we should do chaining here. Hmm, we should do chaining here. That's the best idea. Okay. And for that regard, I am doing everything wrong, so I has to go back totally. It doesn't actually make any sense to actually continue this. Okay, I actually deleted many code here. How much code is deleted? Let's see. Not like that. Uh, this is a okay. This is this is not local. This is local. So it's C. It's only going to look for uh, basically this should read. So this is the it seems not much, but I think I wrote too much. Sometimes it's happen. I think so. Okay, so also we have to go to back here. So that should be the case. Let's try again with some kind of some fresh mind, uh, and we are going to do chaining. Uh, First, do chaining of some get. So if there is a get command like this, it will be. I'm gonna change it a little bit so it is not same that way. Okay, so okay, is it gonna this? I don't think so. I wish I should do it sometime later. I don't think so. This is the right time. But actually, I need. Oh, I am so stupid now. One second. This is some kind of match route there. So this is the match route, and okay. So I am doing everything all wrong for so long. Hmm. So how we gonna do that? First of all, let's do the get thing and URI. Everything from here. It's kind of same. It's not same to be fair. So we're gonna look for history and see how we actually do get here. Hmm. One second. Okay, this 1 second, 1 second. So we can actually use that instead of active routes. We're gonna say match routes. बोलो सर.
कौन सी वो एप्लीकेशन थी?
What are you trying to say?
हैं?
What are you trying to say?
वो जो डायग्राम्स बना
Excel draw.
हैं?
Excel draw.
कौन सा?
Excel draw.
एक्सेल ड्रॉ वेबसाइट है?
सब कुछ उड़ जाएगा तेरा अगर कुछ गया तो. मैं कहूँगा उससे लैपटॉप ले ले.
सब कुछ उड़ जाएगा मेरा?
ऑनलाइन है ना सब कुछ.
हाँ तो
नहीं बेसिकली नहीं उड़ेगा. मेरा भी नहीं उड़ा वैसे. सही रहता है.
एक्सेल ड्रॉ
हाँ. 5 minute pee break. I think so. Hmm. This is kind of long break. I'm so sorry about that. Mm. 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 After check permissions has to run. Mm. I see. I can't get what I'm doing right now. It seems everything is kind of jumbled up here and there. Maybe I should actually delete everything and start it totally with the blank page. It seems everything is all right here. I doesn't have to change anything. I am literally kind of like why I'm doing this. I, I'm gonna do it again sometime. I have to take some time off. It's like that. So not right now, but I'm gonna do that. That's sure. That's sure I'm gonna do that. And mm, first of all, these are all for public. So the thing is about this is we don't need to actually check for any kind of like routing. I will say you just need to check for URI. But again, uh, it seems I has to do that. I has to do that. Especially oh, it's it's almost 11 a.m. 11 p.m. So I have a time. I have time. So let's create a new route there. Hmm. And this will be route one. I'm fine with it. Route one. So okay, this is active role. Let's beat there. And this is listen. This is match. I'm gonna remove everything from here, or maybe I'm gonna make it that and going to I'm gonna access X this and put it on the end of it. And just have a now. Mm, something really bad happens somewhere. At least I'm thinking that. I'm thinking that. Okay, so this roles. there's active route set, so it's only one time. So and first of all, we are not going to do the get in the way that actually I'm trying to do here. I have history and I can see how we are doing the get here. So this is like that. If we're gonna respond this, return this. mm, it's gonna return this. And if hmm, so private, okay. Okay, so you're gonna check the permission. Let's revive the check permission there. So there's nothing for check permission here. Check the roles is star. If it's star, it's gonna say okay. If it's not, you're gonna check what is the role that is there. Hmm. It's gonna return this. Hmm. First of all, like, why should we it's like that? We should return this. This gonna check the permission. It can return null, so we can actually use that way. If or it's gonna return this that way, and if it's that, we're gonna run and and not authorized should be null. So it's gonna JSON echo that, but return is no. Hmm. else is, and response will be hmm, it should break. It should break. If we stuck on this permission sector, then it means something else. It return doesn't do anything because it's not echoing anything. So we have to echo that, and it has to return um, if it's saying that if it has this, then it goes null. That's the way it is. So first we are going to check the for permission. It can be null. It's not like it has to be. This is else. So it has to be this. So it can have this. If it's this is run. This is run. And so okay, it doesn't need anything here because we are doing everything on the okay. First of all, this is the match route. Okay, so this is that, and again this is match route, not active route. This is the match route, and this is also the match route. Call and this attributes, which is the values. So this is it. Method should be cancelled. It's just gonna check. It's gonna return null. So okay, let's start this. So basically CRUD can actually, okay, this time I think this is a little bit better compared to what we are previously done. It has nothing, uh, just as soon as it's like what I'm saying here. First of all, let's eight. We should return this. Uh, because in the end it will be return null. That should be a typical case of it, because it's gonna return null. So that's the case totally here. It's gonna return this and it's gonna return null. This. So now we has to use this CRUD here and see how it's actually can do anything here. Okay, so basically we has to use something like the self get. So this is it. It can actually, if it doesn't match, it has to be like that. Again, but it can be. Hmm, it's gonna do that if it's a read there. And hmm, let's put like one second. One second. Okay, okay, this is okay. Uh, this is read for only forget. So um, let's replace the four matches only. Let's replace it with what thing is. Mm, nothing matches gonna. And mm, maybe I should replace this with something else. कह रहा तू नहीं लगाता, खुद को पता ही नहीं है कुछ भी.
तूने लगाई थी.
1 second.
इसमें पानी होता ना,
Post
पानी पानी कर देता हूँ.
and that's it.
दिमाग भी लगा लिया कर भाई. झूठे उनके भाई चाह.
Function is function should be called. So okay, so there's call and okay. So basically, I can actually repeat everything. Only need to change. Why is that? I can actually make a single function and call it with some kind of variable. Okay, so uh, let's put it some kind of like public function. Method. There's a method there somewhere. Oh yeah, there is a method there. Is we are using, okay, this we are using method action, maybe something like that. And we're gonna use so it can be anything. Method. So and just that. That's it. And we don't need to use it again and again and again and again. So I think method action. So that's it. And it has to return that. That's it. It can be anything. It has to return that. Hmm. Okay, these things should be there also. So okay, so it has to be there. So it has to be there. Roles. Okay, so these are the roles. Usually roles and value can be that. Mm, so okay, so we can actually this method can actually work that way for every kind of like for delete even. So first of all there is a URI bit. Okay, so these are the basically the same, but we need to change it little bit like post patch and put OMG, there is some kind of issue there. Okay, there is a call issue. Hmm. Okay, so this is a port here. Okay, so this is kind of, I think this kind of work, and this, I think this should be smaller compared to previously. It has, okay, this has CRUD, and it's not like it has something special in the CRUD. So let's see first of all how many lines I cut. It is a 114, and this is 117. It's not too much of a, it's not much. But thing is about especially this function, it's gonna reply it null if something just happen, and it's gonna reply it's null and null and null. It has more of like same thing. Yeah, let's copy this. I should actually try everything from scratch. That is the best idea. I think I ruined my chances. It can be a little bit better chances. What I'm doing here now? 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. First of all, this should be route, and not here. We're gonna use that, and and we're gonna use this. Hmm. Let's see. Is it working now? Because I have no idea it's gonna work or not. Okay. Okay, it's not. Especially login is definitely not working. Oh, it's a forbidden, so it should be forbidden. So okay, so I sent the request, but response is okay. So there's a condition. There's a listen. Listen should not be there. But how would listen actually running there? Because hmm, it should not run. It should be just null then. Ah, let's just do that first of all. It should not do anything. At least I think so. There's no response. Why there is no response over that? This empty response. Login doesn't work. Login actually responds empty. So why it's but login? I have no idea why login is doing that way. Again, this is kind of like so basically empty, nothing there that is getting returned, and login is this. So not no block. Open a new tab. So it is nothing. True, probably. So let's just remove everything like here from here and see is it does change anything. So goes echo this. This is gonna do something here. Maybe printer. Okay, so mm, this is route, this is object, this on the match. First of all, it should only on the match. So match is URI method real URI. Okay, it's not doing that. It should do that. Okay, so now it has mm, so basically match route is nothing here. So because I don't actually put that here. Okay, now match route has something at least. Where's the match route? Okay, so there is a match route. Your login is URI. And okay, um, roles are array, which is nothing. There are no roles here. It is gonna do that and run this. Values nothing there. So it's kind of like doing something there until that time. Let's put it right here. Let's see. Actually running a okay, so it run until login. So that's kind of good. On the let's go to check permission. And okay, so first of all, it should be star. Hmm. Hmm. Just like that. So okay, so basically it has to be like that. Empty. Hmm. Let's put roles with the star because It has to be in the star. This also. And now we're gonna false. Okay, if we do that now, most of the things now working totally fine, and I can actually remove these routes totally. We don't need them. URI maybe method or I think those are necessaries, but nothing else we did. And now the code is not this. Okay, not this again. Hmm, so basically not much. 117. Hmm. It seemed like I actually typed too much, but not really. It's like it's just there. If I put it above here, so like that.
तब मैं लास्ट टाइम आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ।
The hmm.
आप एक बार फिर से वही फाइल चेक करो और अब देखो कि क्या सब सही चल रहा है या नहीं। अगर सब सही चल रहा है
Um.
तो ऐसे ही अब सारा
One
काम
second. It seemed like okay. At least routing problem is it's solved here. I think so. At
ये
least.
वेक्टोरियल डायग्राम बनाए हैं और उसी में काफी टाइम लग रहा है, बट हाँ काफी अच्छा बन रहे हैं। एक आउटपुट काफी सही निकल रहा है।
दूर जाके बात कर।
दो
दूर जाके
दो
बात
और
कर।
बन
पता
रहे
नहीं
हैं
कैसे इतनी तेज बात
उसी
कर
के
रहा है।
ही फॉलो अप करके।
दूर जाके बात कर। जोर जोर से बात कर रहा है। आराम से बात कर ले। Okay. At least it's kind of work fine. Uh,
अब ज्यादा क्रिएटिव लग रही है सब कुछ।
uh,
तो मैं इसी इसी को फॉलो अप करके कर दूँ सारा।
we can create some kind of constructor maybe, or we should use
सर
this
अब तो
way. This is the kind of like good way. Uh, if we have some kind of like admin, what is that? If we check them for active roles, it's gonna be
अब तो
stop it here. Maybe we should not do that way.
फोटो सब बात नहीं कर
Let's just copy this
भी काफी बड़ा हो
and paste it here. So guys, it seem even if this is a kind of like 100% working fine thing, but
गया। पर वो जो लास्ट के दो मॉड्यूल हो गए उनमें दिक्कत
it
आई है।
doesn't seem we should actually go this way.
हाँ सर।
But
तो नोट करे हुए हैं वो एम्प्लॉय जिसके आपने बोला था।
whatever. One second. If I do that, it's gonna run this way also.
वैसे सर
I
मैंने
have
ये कर लिया है
oh,
ये
no,
अपोलो
it's not running that way.
ये एफएनबी करके ये 8
Listen, okay, so this should not be that.
तीन पॉइंट सही कर दी। तो अब इनके मतलब मेन टॉपिक पे
It's empty again.
सब टॉपिक पे तो वो बना दे क्लाउड, पर सब टॉपिक के भी सब टॉपिक पे वो तो ऐसे रहेंगे।
Why
वो तो
this is
ऐसे
empty?
मैंने डिस्क्राइब कर दिया कि हाँ तीन है, फिर नीचे आगे पॉइंट रहेंगे।
There should be some kind of a thing because
हाँ हाँ।
response is like totally header response is um what is header response? Keep alive. Okay, this is actually a JSON response here. So that's means something is working, but something is not.
एक तो मिल जाएगा, नो डाउट। एक तो फाइव प्रैक्टिकल के साथ मिल ही जाएगा।
Okay, so basically it need to be star. It can't be anything else.
दो को दो
That
हमें
is the case here. So okay, so only thing we need to run this the question mark and that we just need only put question mark there. Everything else is the same, and I has to do instead of that we has to use it like this. Hmm.
हवा टाइट हो रही है सर।
And again, uh, we have some kind. Oh, it's fine, totally fine. I think so at least. Again, I'm thinking that way. It's possible that everything can screwed up really bad, really bad. And let's go to auth, and we're gonna put it question mark here. So okay, and we're gonna make it like setup again because why not? PHP setup dot PHP. What just happened here? 123 undefined array key 0. It seems it's totally screw up everything. It's totally screw up everything here. On the 123, let's see what is on the 123. Oh, then API. Mm, pattern of routes. On 123 section, there's some kind of something wrong is here. That's kind of like, I will say it's good, but not much, but it's good. Um, it is it's definitely something there. So what is mean by undefined key in the 124? In 124 there's a that. It's definitely something there. So undefined Array key 0. It's like, why are you doing that? It's multiple things. Hmm. Ah, I think this is bad. And one thing. अरे जोर जोर से क्यों ठोक रहा है इतना?
जोर जोर से क्यों ठोक रहा है? बस तू भी इतनी जोर से ठोकता है।
जोर जोर से ठोक रहा है तो स्पेस दूसरे बटनों में इतनी दिक्कत नहीं है. Oath and it seems if I don't do that, ये API में दिक्कत हो रही है, उसमें दिक्कत हो रही है. बेसिकली उसमें दिक्कत हो रही है, सेकंड वाली में क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला तो वाले में नहीं है. Oh, it's using listen, which we don't need to use now. So first of all, let's go to auto setup and API. Mm. So basically, this is it. I'm very happy with it, whatever this is. So routes is there, but now we need some kind of special routes which doesn't need that much bulky. This is still bulky routes, and it's not like they can't have everything. It's not like what I'm trying to say that we're trying to actually open a PHP file somewhere. We're trying to open PHP file somewhere, and that's it. That's it. We gonna give a file address, and it has to open that file address. That's it. Nothing else. Uh, and it's only work with cat. So for that reason, I'm gonna make a new function which will be public function get view. It's only for view. It has a URI. That should be and a path. That's it. It's need nothing else. Mm. Yes, it's new and path, and it's gonna run that path, and that path has to run some kind of thing. Mm. Like any kind of function it have, we can actually access in there. So like we have something like this fake URI. We can actually make it happen like mm, I think I can. I think at least I think I can deal with it. At least that is the case here. I'm not sure I can deal with it, but I think at least I can deal with it. If I can't, I can actually put some kind of htaccess and put and get everything in the get method or post method. That's it. Maybe get method, that is the best way to do things. So mm, maybe we should use some kind of function, so or maybe class, so we can actually know where it's going. So it has something like, again, it has to be call and value which is null. It's gonna do the same but without any roles. So roles is for everybody there, so it doesn't has to be that way. So and we can actually make it like that. URI, it's method. Okay, and this is will be URI. This will be call, and this will be value. Why we are using value? Because it's definitely not getting used. Nobody is using this value. Nobody. At that time, I think value is the stupid. I thinking was something else, but at the last time, I can't find anything special with the value. So mm, so this is that way, and I think call polls. They there is no need of get view. We can actually everything here. So in the front we have view, we have pages here, and layout. In pages we can actually create uh, what we want, like home, maybe index or php, and this is index.php. I think we should use constructor here, and that's it. We're gonna use constructor. Thing is, these are the kind of like functions that uh, they should be functions, not like classes. Can we use namespace for classes? No, if only functions. Basis for function. Uh, PHP. Let's see. Maybe something is there. Static namespace. Same. Nothing there. There's nothing item there. So let's do that. Public static function. That will be uh, its name will is home. So I think I should measure only pages. Doesn't seem it can help that way, but hmm, I think I can import. So I can import some many pages here from here or there. This is like why I'm doing that. Previous day is much better compared to this. Okay, first of all, let's
साले तू नीचे कुछ पहन तो ले। नीचे की तरफ पहन ले कुछ। ले जाएंगे जी। जब ऊपर की है ना। अच्छा सही है। कुछ भी हो जाए दौड़ा कर लिए। और तुझे तो कुछ पता भी नहीं लगेगा। मुंह से भी और कामों से भी।
तो जितना प्रोजेक्ट का हाथ मारना वो जल्दी जल्दी हो जाते हैं। तो मैं भी क्या सोच रहा हूँ, पाकिस्तान वाले का ख़त्म कर दूँगा अब जाके। बट मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैंने जिस प्रोजेक्ट में कर रहा है उसी में रखूँ कि बदल दूँ, क्योंकि जो स्पीड है वो और ज़्यादा है अभी।
तो जॉब कब पकड़ रहा है? तो जॉब कब पकड़ रहा है?
अब करनी पड़ेगी।
हैं?
मैं अभी एक बार ट्राई और करना चाहता हूँ। ये सबको मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 5,000 रुपये में तो मैं अकाउंटेंट का काम, अकाउंटेंसी और
जी बस अकाउंटेंसी छोटा काम थोड़ी है, बिल वगैरह बना देते होंगे ना।
बिल वही होता है ना।
तुम क्या करोगे?
अकाउंट का काम बिल बनाना थोड़ी होता
अकाउंट सेट रखना।
है। अकाउंट सेट रखना, महीने में एक दिन जाना होगा,
फिर
सबके अकाउंट देख के आ जाना कि कुछ लोग लगेगी खुद गलत कराओगे फिर।
गवर्नमेंट का काम है क्या?
आधे घंटे का काम हो जाएगा।
हैं?
आधे घंटे का वो
बुक्स बड़ा संभालेगा।
अगर
देख के क्या आएगा? जो जो तू देख के
मैं
आएगा वो
सॉफ्टवेयर देख के आऊँगा।
देख के आएगा। कोई माना नहीं था कि एक भी बंदा।
एक बंदा माना है पर क्या जब देखा है बंदे को फिर। और मैंने उसे बोला है कि अभी आपको मैं एक
पीपीटी बना
नहीं ऐसे नहीं कहा उसने।
ऐसे अगर तू रिकॉर्डिंग ही या रिकॉर्डिंग दिखा या रिकॉर्डिंग बना दे।
रिकॉर्डिंग के पहले एप्लीकेशन तो बनेगी ना ढंग से।
पीपीटी ही बना भाई, मैं तो यही प्रेफर करूँगा
ये
तेरे को।
एप्लीकेशन बनाऊंगा।
ये किस लिए है?
पर हम ना जोहो पे कर देंगे
ये
वैसे।
किस लिए?
हम्म ये उसके लिए माइक और वो उसके लिए साउंड कार्ड है। तो अभी भी स्ट्रीम चल रही है, मेरे को सोचने को उठा था। ओके, I think I got it. First of all, let's just create a new PHP class which is page and which is क्या बोल रहा है भाई? I think
कितना टाइम चाहिए ये सब के लिए?
I'm thinking about अगर मैंगलोर में करूँ ना, I think this stream is over. I think I should take little bit more liberty. नहीं, let's complete this and then take a break. So first of all, the public static function. There should be a static function, and which is home, home, maybe home. I think it should be home. So this is home, and there is another static function public. These are the multiple static function. I think this is the best idea. And first will be home, second will be about us, and privacy policy, see policy, and privacy policy, and what is that? I'm just thinking out what I need to do on this side. Contact us, contact us, and services. So these are the pages that I need. I can actually make it very easily with the help of his route, and this route like that. I'm gonna make it like route, and get URI will be nothing. So function will be like mm, page, and that's it. It is page and class and next will be home. Same, exactly the same. So this is contact us. Mm. And it will be pages little too far, should be come little here. About us, contact us. So contact us is this. About us is this. Let's see what is the about us. Slug is that. So this is about us, and this is privacy. I think this should be privacy policy. I should actually update that policy. Yeah, I think I can change that first of all, like this way. I'm gonna change it this way. So like how actually I don't an API. I totally forgot about that. And okay, so dot plus, so something like that. So something like that, and it is for services. It is services or service. Okay, it is services. It is services, and it has usually is slug. So and we're gonna, so these kind of function it's probably gonna run fine. So and we can actually use that way probably. It's, I think this is a fine way to do things. And again, it's not for this page to fair. It's for my some kind of production page, which I I want to show that, but I think there are many kind of factors there. So I'm so sorry about that. I'm closing that. I think this is the best way. So I can actually make like some kind of data query from here. So it can we can find that. So let's quit that and bye bye. Not we should quit this, and maybe I can start again little bit later. I have no idea.